Alright boys, we are going to do some hill climbing. That is the whole goal for today, is to climb hills. And we found the first one.
Of course there's a fucking pond at the bottom.
Yeah. I'm going to try to go around the back. I think that's the call. Alright, this is just a baby one. Hill number 1 conquered. Actually, I still gotta get down. And I picked a shitty line. Oh yeah, that was a rough one. Oh, they found it. They found a line. Alright, I gotta catch up. That's alright. I got old street tires in front of me. He's probably not gonna get too far. So hard to see. Oh yeah, boys! Nicely done. What's the plan? We're gonna go that way, I guess. That's Corey's plan. Nathan's going straight across. All right. Oh no. See, that's why you always send your buddy first. So you know how bad it's gonna be. And then you can follow his line. Even if it's super muddy. Oh, the bikes are getting trashed today. I think I see what he's going for. Nope. That's gnarly. That sucks. Oh man. Yeah. Are we gonna keep going?
Yeah,
fuck yeah, let's go. I'm gonna try to leave it in second this time. Nope. Instantly down the first. as bad as I expected it to be. That's what I say now. Soft out here. It's great practice though. Bike starts to squirm around and you instead of freaking out, you kind of just hang on. Oh my god. Watch out for giant potholes. Really, no one has any idea where they're going. There could be anything under this dirt. You might be on my bike. Just pile them.
That's fucking sick. Damn, boy. There's what in me? I don't know if anybody's on this thing. Yeah,
exactly. What's good? On top of the fucking world. This is so sick.
That was sick.
You literally just feel on top of the world.
Yeah.
We're just hanging out up here and everybody's fucking...
Yeah, there used to be another hill over there, but they flattened it out, I guess. Holy fuck. That was wild. Holy shit, that's sick.
I think the one we were thinking of, it's like just over there, right?
Oh,
there's like
so
a big...
Yeah, there's definitely...
No, this is sick
what
though.
What the fuck is that? A deer?
Where?
Where?
Mm.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it is a deer. Wow. What is wrong with me, eh? Yo, I need to get my bow.
I've seen more deer since I bought this bike. I've only ever seen one on the road though.
I've almost hit one with my Ninja.
Yeah, it's fucking scary, eh?
I was going 80 in a wind,